In today's video, we are going to have a look at how to generate reports. So when the admin logs in into his or her portal, you first go to report configuration, where you're going to see how your report will look like. So you select the year, select the term, choose the grading system, the colors, choose what you want to be on your report. So if you want the promotion status, add a criteria that for this class to be promoted, we use criteria total marks, average, grade, and what is that value. You say you do the same for another class like that. So if you use total points and you say the total points should be like what is the 3 times 1545, so I can say 20. So that's where you do so. Include watermark. Do you want school logo or text watermark? You choose one. So after you save the configuration, when you save the configuration, you can come here to view to see what you saved. Then you come to the report generation, generate reports. Before generating reports, you must make sure that the exams are well published. If the exams are not published, you cannot generate the reports. Choose the year and the term, click load classes. When you select the class, for instance senior 1, and then select the stream, or you can opt for all streams. Select the main exam like this one. These are all published exams. Then you click generate. When you click generate, the report is going to the report cards are now generated by just one PDF which you can download, and once you download, you're going to get a single PDF having the report cards of all the students. The downloads my network. So now when you're done with that, let us see if the report card was of A level. Let me see the downloads. My downloads generated report. So you're seeing it is here. When you open it, you're going to see the report cards being shown to you with whichever you configured. Now, next thing, let us see if the class is A level. We want to generate report cards for A level. So I'm going to come to generate reports, and then I select the year and the term. So then I load the classes. When I choose the class like senior 5, so I'll choose the main exam. Then after choosing, I'll generate. When I generate the report card, is going to be here senior 5 beginning of term. So when you click download, the report cards are going to be downloaded, and then the user can access a single PDF having all the learners from that, everyone with his or her combination. Thank you very much.